Hey guys, welcome back to the Design, Creativity and Technology channel. My name's Aaron. Exciting day today guys. I've just got this parcel in the mail and I believe it's my custom orange vise all the way over from the United States. And on the line joining us for this session today, for this video, I've got Scott Moyse over here on my laptop. And I'll flick in and out with Scott during the unboxing guys so he can have a bit of a chat. Welcome Scott, thanks for coming to my channel.
Yeah, cheers, Aaron. It's pretty exciting. I can't wait to see you open that up.
I'm really looking forward to it, buddy. Before we get started, Scott, can you just tell the viewers what you do over in New Zealand, mate, if you don't mind?
Yeah, so I work for CAD Pro Systems Limited. We're an Autodesk reseller, so we sell and support Autodesk CAD products and do training and support and consulting for Fusion 360 and all the CAM products, and yeah, so that's what I do for my day job. That pays the mortgage, and then with a colleague of mine, Gavin Bath, we both run ChipX, and we import and sell premium US-made work holding and tooling solutions into Australia and New Zealand for manufacturers in this region.
Awesome. So I've noticed. If you guys don't know, I actually met Scott many years ago. I was using HSM Works, and Scott and Gavin were the guys that really got me started, and it was really hard starting out in a brand new CAM system and not knowing what to do. And I jumped on board with CAD Pro and became one of their customers, and they've helped me out ever since. When I was quite lucky in Vegas last year, I know Scott and Gavin went over and met Eric from Orange Vice, and Eric's products are just outstanding. I can't believe the quality of them, and especially to see, it's great to see they're actually manufactured entirely, wholly and solely in the United States. Is that right, Scott?
Yeah, that's right. And the material they use as well.
Yeah, so look, let's start unboxing, Scott. I think you can see the big large box off the camera there. Should we open that one first?
Yeah, go for it.
All right, buddy. So here we go, guys. Without further ado, got my little Stanley knife here. Hopefully I won't slash my fingers off and I bleed out on camera. Now that would make a good YouTube video, wouldn't it?
You might finally go viral if you did that.
Yeah, I might have my first viral video if I bleed out on camera. That would be entertaining. Eric packs the boxes pretty tough, mate.
Yeah.
I don't think they're ever going to bust open and chip. Alrighty, here we go. It's like a Kinder Surprise. Wait, there's still more.
So this is the new aluminium bodied version that you've got here. So it'll be easier for you to lift out instead of the Durabar version.
Well, it's pretty heavy, Scott. I struggled lifting it out of the van. Okay, throw that over there. Okay.
Well, maybe it's not. It looks quite heavy.
It's quite heavy. Oh. It feels cast iron, Scott. Could be wrong. Yeah, can you see that, mate?
Yeah.
It's actually a monster. Oh, there's the famous orange sticker.
Yeah.
Look at that, guys. The big boy's struggling here, I tell you.
Yeah,
maybe I need to hit the gym. So this is the big cast iron one, Scott.
Yeah, continuously cast. It's continuously cast Durabar, so it's like 100% defect free.
Oh my god.
So, yeah, way better than cast iron, but got the same sort of properties of white mass behind it.
Okay. Well, it definitely is a piece of art, mate. I'll bring it up on the camera so people can see it. Have a look at that, guys. I'll just get my tape measure. So it's just under 510 millimetres, mate. What's that in inches? 12 inch.
The 17 and a half, isn't it? Or 16? No, it's a 16 inch, I think.
16 inch, yeah. By 150, which is 6 inch wide. Yeah. It's honestly.
You say it's 511.
Yep, 510.
It's the 20 inch one.
Is it?
Yeah. So the 20 inch dual station.
Yeah. Scott, I'd have to say, mate, it is a work of art. It really is.
Yeah, just wait till you start using it.
It's incredible. I won't know myself. I've been following Orange Vices for a while, guys, and I've seen some of Eric's videos on YouTube, and he does, not only is he making a fantastic product, but his video and editing work is out of this world. It looks professional, and he does it all himself.
He even composes all of his own music for the videos as well.
He composes his own music. How's that, guys?
Yeah.
Here's me. I go on YouTube and download the free stuff to use, and Eric's writing his own music. So he's definitely a bit of an artist as well by the sounds of things. Okay, so in here, this must be all the jaws, Scott.
Yeah.
I tell you what, mate, I'm like a fat kid at KFC opening this, I tell you. Let me just give you the rundown now.
I don't know how you feel. The first time I opened my Orange Vice up, opened my first Orange Vice up, it was, I was in a hotel room.
Oh, were you?
Yeah. I couldn't wait. So I got out of the car and opened it up in the hotel room and put it out on the desk.
Okay, in here, guys, we've got some more. I like the way Eric packs everything. It's well and truly protected with styrofoam beads, beads and balls. What's that, Scotty? That's the...
That'll be one of their master jaws.
Is that the Traveller, or... Yeah, okay, that's the master.
Yeah. So they'll be the same, the front and the rear jaws will be the same, and then you may have included a centre jaw as well. Okay. So that's reversible. You can flip it round from using the ground bolt-on jaws versus the Castmart, the dovetail-based system.
Yes. That's awesome.
So you can rotate it 180 degrees, so you've got quick change, dovetail jaws, and then the master jaw also rotates.
And then it clips on and everything. It's really cool. What have we got in here?
So you've got two positions on the carrier as well.
Yes.
Yeah.
So there looks like more bolts and O-rings made in there for a must be a...
So you've got spare O-rings. So the only wear item on the Vice are the O-rings inside, behind the plates on the carrier. Okay. They just hold the grease in.
Yep. Heaps of bolts obviously provided to have to work it all out.
You've got some dowel pins in there as well.
Yes, dowel pins, yep.
Yeah.
And these look like little feet, mate. I don't know if you can see them.
Oh, they'll be the clamps.
They're the clamps. That's a packet of clamps, guys, to bolt the Vice down to the table. Let me just move some of this stuff for you. Okay, and this one here. This looks like another carrier, Scott.
Yep, it's exactly the same as the other one.
The other carrier, guys. Yep, put that on the ground. But wait, there's more. This is like one of these home shopping ads, Scott.
Yeah.
Put that down there.
So they've got a full set of instructions on their website on how to use the Vice and how to set it up.
So, okay, so all the instructions for use, guys, is located on their website. Obviously, a PDF document, is it, or?
Yes, they've got, so you'll be looking for the dual station instructions. It's under the documentation section. So that's your sensor jaw.
Okay, yep.
So you use your dowel pins and your screws to put that down.
Yeah, so you take out the cap head bolts that are obviously in here. So this one, Scott's saying, is the centre jaw, guys. And I assume, I'll lift this up to Scott, these come out one of these where you want it.
Yeah, exactly. Each one of those have got the top you can put in dowels, and then further down inside the hole you've got the thread.
Okay. Well, it's may I say, Scott, it's a big step up from using my Chinese vice.
Yeah.
I won't know myself.
So yeah, so that now you can put those on one side, and then on the other side you can get some soft jaw stock off us or some burst.
So they're like hard jaws, are they?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. So you just leave those bolted on the opposite side, and then you put those on the other side, Aaron.
Oh, okay. Oh, on this reverse side.
Yeah.
Good. Okay, so these are travelling. So they're obviously, what Scott was saying, they're indexable. You can actually turn them around and use the other side if you want. Is that correct?
Correct.
Yeah, you can use them both sides. So I'll unpack this other hard jaw here, mate, so people can see. Alright, what else is in here? Now this looks like another... Oh, okay, that's the other centre one, is it?
Yeah, exactly.
So you can use the Carve Smart system as well.
Correct.
In there, the dovetail ones.
Yeah, so that reduces the jaw opening a little bit, but you get the access to all those other features.
Yeah. Well, it's definitely a work of art, Scott, I have to say. It far exceeds my expectations, so to speak.
Yeah.
The quality of it all. I'm just really excited. I can't wait to get it on the machine and give it a try, mate.
Awesome.
Alrighty, guys. That's let us know what you think. If you're using an Orange Vice, put some comments down below. We'd love to hear from you. And just want to really thank Scott and Gavin from ChipX for hooking me up with such a great deal and looking after me. And big shout out to Eric and a thank you also from Orange Vice Company over in the United States. Thanks, Scott. Thanks for joining us.
Cheers, mate. Enjoy, and thanks for having me on. And cheers for being top guy.
Thanks, buddy. I paid him to say that.
Yeah.
All right, we'll catch you next time on the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. See you later. Bye-bye.